Hi folks, welcome back to Cattail Acres, and you are watching the Chasing the Muses playlist on the channel. I'm Deb, and today we are doing the book review for October, which is Writing Monsters. So, Writing Monsters, unlike the other books in this series, is a very specialized book. Its focus is solely on creating the most terrifyingly plausible monsters of written works of fantasy, horror, sci-fi. Um, there are no adages about life as a creative professional, no quips about the business side of writing or anything like that. This is just about creating monsters. Um, there are, however, some deep looks into the making of monsters, the creative process that surrounds the making of monsters, and the differences between monsters and villains. Um, and that can provide some critical insights into their literary and cultural differences. This book is not a quick read, y'all. And while it's not a book every creative probably needs on their shelves, anybody working in the speculative genres, I definitely would recommend it for anybody writing in fantasy, horror, or sci-fi, but also those who create in other ways in those same aesthetics. So if you're creating costumage or creating artwork, or and that can be in 2 or 3 dimensions, um, this book provides lots of food for creative thought, and it makes you consider the deeper questions that might influence those creations. So helps you get into the mind of your monster or villain and understand what motivates them, what their limitations are, all of that kind of stuff. So definitely recommend giving this a read if you're working in speculative genres. And you're going to want to take notes, because this is, I mean, this is a master level, as far as I'm concerned, this is a master level book on the process of creating monsters. So, if you'd like a shot at winning this book, but not only this book, but all the other books that I've reviewed in this series, you're going to want to go back and catch all the other book review videos for 2022. Collect all the code words, there should be 10, and be ready to email those code words to cattailacres@gmail.com. One more time, that's cattailacres@gmail.com. And you'll want to do that as just after we post our November book review. What we're reviewing in November is Save the Cat Writes a Novel. Just in time for NaNoWriMo, Save the Cat Writes a Novel, I'm hoping will help keep me creatively fueled for that whole NaNoWriMo journey. Now, if you would like more information about what NaNoWriMo is, how it's helped me and how it might help you, let me know in the comments below. And also, guys, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel if you want more on reading on writing, thoughts on writing process, and not just writing but other creative processes as well. Go ahead and subscribe, because we're going to be bringing you at least once a month something great on this playlist. So for those who don't know what NaNoWriMo is, it is National Novel Writing Month, and it's this crazy thing where a bunch of crazed writers bash out 50,000 words in 30 days, and, well, maybe because we're crazy, but also there's so much support and fellowship that it goes along with Nano that, I don't know, I just enjoy it. But like I said, if you want to know more about it, just, pop that comment down below. And if you're finding these entertaining or useful, again, go ahead and subscribe, but also hit that notification bell, because these things really help out the channel. So it gets you notified every time we drop a new video, and it really helps out the metric. So thank you so much for hanging out with me for these book reviews. Guys, it's been a journey and it's been fun, and I've got one more to do. So get those code words. Go back and watch the videos. Get those code words and email them to cattailacres@gmail.com. In November, we'll be making that drawing for all the books on New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2022. So, if you want a shot at it, go ahead and get all those code words and get ready to email them to me, and we'll look forward to seeing you back here. Y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see ya.